Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this series of connecting Creative Cloud with Asset as Cloud Service, we are talking about how you can leverage or how you can play around with all the assets which are available on AEM Asset Cloud. So as you can see on my screen, this is one of the image that I do have on my AEM Asset Cloud instance. So how you can pull out the same image on your creative product. I do have Photoshop. So let's see how you can check in and check out same asset with some modifications and how that will be available on AEM once we are done with the modifications. So let's go to the Photoshop. So this is the Photoshop screen. And as we discussed already, how you can traverse all the folders once you are done with the installation of Asset Link plugin. So this is the Asset Link window where you can traverse or see all the folders, and I can pull out the image which is under adventures, then Bali Surfer Camp, and this is the asset which I was showing you on my Asset Cloud environment. What you need to do in terms of using on Photoshop, click on these three dots and then select the option checkout. There are multiple options are available. Meantime, when it is downloading, you can see you can do other things like you can download and any other operations you can perform on locally. But in case you want to directly do some changes on the asset which is available on Asset Cloud environment, then check out that. Once you are checking out this, it means no one can touch or do some modifications on the asset environment. So that is one of the benefit. Asset is same and interconnected. Now what I want to do, I do want to change something here. So I'm just trying to do some modifications here. So this is the image, and if I want to go for some options like how that will work for me, for example, I'm just changing its dimension or changing its width, and I want to put a focus on certain area instead of displaying the overall image. So that is how I want to show this image. Now if I do have a kind of image, I did some modifications. What I need to do afterwards, I just need to check out that. So once I'm done with the changes, I just need to go back in the same image and click on the three dots. There will be option check in. So let's see, it is taking some time for me. So I'm just done with the cropping, going in the three dots and going for the option check in. So it means I want to go with this option, whatever I have done. I'm adding a comment that will be visible on the Asset Cloud environment. Cropping done, please check, click on the check-in button. Check-in process will start. And once that will be done, we can see a message. The asset checked in successfully. So it means my asset is checked in. Also, if I reload the same window again, I can also see the similar image which I just checked in. It will take time, but meanwhile we can go to the actual Asset Cloud and let's see how the image is and how we can see the comments that we have added during the check-in. So let's go to the Asset Cloud environment. So as you can see here, image is changed. Whatever cropping I did, that is available as well. And if I want to see the detailings, uh, which I did during the check-in, so those are here. Like this is the current version, which is 1.1, and it is showing cropping done, please check. So that is how it is appearing, whatever comments are providing by the creative person, and images are also reflecting in the same with the same modification that your creative team is doing. So this is how you can easily do the changes with the help of creative tools, and no need to do any upload, download, or any other stuff to maintain the similar duplication of the assets. So this is the one of beauty of asset link that you just seen in this presentation. So thank you everyone. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment section.